Your team may forget. Our AI won't free us. FollowUp keeps everyone on track.
Now let me introduce one of our most powerful features, the active feed. Click the action feed to access the list of recent activities and updates within Trueaiwork. Every change, every update, every comment, all in one place. Click the action feed notification, who completed a task, when a deadline was changed, which files were uploaded. New comments or discussions, AI follow-ups, and daily progress updates. Click the action feed to return to the main activity overview and continue monitoring updates. The goal is simple: complete transparency and effortless awareness. Everyone stays informed, aligned, and accountable without hunting for information. With the active feed, your team can finally focus on progress, not searching for updates.